Hi, I'm Carmel Debadine. I believe food shouldn't just taste good, but it should look awesome as well. Join me as I bring my kitchen to yours. This is the DB Kitchen. Hi everyone, welcome to the DB Kitchen. I'm Carmel Debadine. Today we're making a creme caramel with a Vietnamese twist, which is called a Bahn Flan. For the Vietnamese twists, we're going with coconut milk and lemongrass. And as they're bonkers for coffee out there, just like me, we're going to go with a coffee caramel sauce. Okay, so we've got our cold pan. We're going to put that onto the heat with some sugar, and we've got 40 mils of coffee. What you want to do is just keep swirling it. Don't let the sugar settle too much. You'll see once the sugar's all dissolved nicely, and then you can watch it as it thickens. It all happens quite quick, but don't be intimidated. For us now, that's actually approaching where we want to be. And then what you're going to do is just pour into ramekin. So you're looking for a centimetre. Okay, and then we're just going to set these to the side and let them cool down. Next step is we are going to infuse some lemongrass into some whole milk. We're just going to cut off the ends and just bruise by slightly smashing them. Into a pan, we put our whole milk and our lemongrass sticks and just let that come to the boil. And we're just going to let this cool while we move on to the next step. Grab some eggs. We're just going to crack all 5 of them straight into the bowl. Into your 5 eggs, we're going to go in with the sugar and some vanilla. We just want a nice froth. We're going to take our coconut milk and just go all in. And again, just want to combine it. Already smelling good too. Once your milk has cooled a little, and if you can actually touch it without burning yourself, carefully into the egg mix. Because it's egg, we don't want this to cook, so we're going to go a little bit speedily, just mix that through, otherwise you'll end up with scrambled vanilla eggs. When we pour the custard over the caramel, we don't want to end up having the egg mixture go underneath the caramel sauce, and so we're going to do this very, very slowly and carefully using the back of a spoon. We are ready to cook. So what we're going to do is we're going to put our ramekins into a large baking pan, and then making sure you're using hot water. We're just going to pour the water around the side. So we're just going to cover the entire thing with foil. And that should keep our bottoms nice and not burned. Now that they're in the oven, we're going to set a timer for 25 minutes. Okay, now that they're out of the oven, then we're going to put them into the fridge to get nice and cold. And then we're just one step away from being able to serve. Once we've removed the creme caramels from the fridge, it's time to eat. Or more importantly, time to plate. We're going to take a knife, run around the outside of your custard. Don't go too deep. You want to keep it looking nice and tidy. When we're plating, we're not going to go too complicated with it. We're going to go a little bit fine dining. And there it goes. And then dig in. For the full recipe, please go to my website, thedbkitchen.com, and check out our Instagram page @thedbkitchen. For more delicious recipes and styling tips, please subscribe to this channel.